Hello everyone, let's learn how to turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. If you're tired of being bombarded with notifications that disappear after a short period, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to regain control of your notifications and customize your Snapchat experience. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Snapchat added a new time-sensitive notification feature on Tuesday, May 9, 2023. This new functionality available on Android and iOS devices marks certain notifications on the app as time-sensitive and they'll be displayed to you on priority. First, open Settings on your device. After that, scroll down to Find Apps option, and when you find, click on it. That will open side menu, and then tap on Manage Apps. Now on this menu have all apps from your phone, and you can scroll down and find Snapchat, or you can go on search bar and type Snapchat and go on it. When you do that, scroll a little down, and you will see a notifications option, and go on it. Now you need to simply disable notifications, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.